faith, and that the music was written by a non-believer. Well, the French church denounced the beloved song as unfit, absence of musical taste with a total absence of the spirit of religion.
Twins, but that one has a white spot in it.
And a decade later, an American heard it and brought it halfway around the world with English words, where the song was loved and embraced.
Look how small those tails are. Look how small they
The
are.
song, originally
so
known as
cute.
Can't Keep It Around,
Okay.
has even since had quite a history.
Guys,
It
the
was
mom
known
is
to create a ceasefire when sung by a soldier. It was the
We
first
lost
song